What's up, Chainlink holders? How are you, my friends? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the huge news of Chainlink today, my friends. That is the latest and urgent update of Chainlink. Keep watch this video and never miss this update, my friends. Before starting this interesting video, before sharing the more updates of the Chainlink, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about the cryptocurrencies market on this channel, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. So first of all, the latest price of Link at this time in the market is 24.66 USD dollar. 24 USD dollar is the currently live and at this time price of the Chainlink in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we look the price changes of the Chainlink, so the price change is going wrong, but don't worry, my friends, every coin is fast down for a little time. That's not mean then you decide to sell, my friends. At this time, the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 week price change is also negative, only the last 1 day price change is positive. I really appreciate this this move of the Chainlink, my friends, and you know what, I really love this move of the Chainlink, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Chainlink. My friends, from the yesterday, you know what, from the yesterday every coin start moving upward, and I really love yesterday moves of the coins, my friends. 14.3% price change, positive change occurred in the Chainlink from the yesterday, and the price is the highest price of the yesterday is 25.07 USD dollar, my friends. And you can see it from the price chart, it's clear for everyone. Everyone can understand that Chainlink start jump from yesterday. You can see here that's a quick jump after Chainlink, my friends. I really appreciate. And now this time every coin is in a profit. So if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so I recommend for everyone to don't invest in a Chainlink, invest in a low price coin, my friends. Invest in a low price coin. If you invest in a low price coin, so you will get a good amount of profit in the future, my friends. And at this time my prediction about Chainlink is going good, and you know what, my friends, I believe that Chainlink will take a huge pump and quick jump in this month, in the June. Every coin, my prediction about every coin is positive, and I believe that every coin take a quick jump. It's sometime for some time they take a quick jump, my friends, in June month. So be ready for this pump, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.